how to mute chat notifications on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute chat notifications on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then here you will find chats, messages. Now all you need to do, just select any chat you want, like Spotify, and here we'll find these 3 points, and then click notifications and sounds, and here we'll find mute notifications. And if you want to mute it, just enable it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.